Matt from Panda Garage here. Today we have another review, and it's in a box in front of me. And it's a little bit worse for wear, this box, because it's been sitting sort of near this door while it's been open. But I've played around with it a little bit, but today we're going to pull it out of the box. We're going to review it. So join me today here on Panda Garage as we have another review. So this is the ToolPRO Heavy Garage Creeper. Don't mind the box, it was good when I got it. It's just been sort of used as a bit of a prop on the side of the garage to hold it up. Just this wet weather, it's been a bit chaotic, and my box somehow got chosen to be the one to hold the door up. So I'm going to pull this out. Just comes wrapped in plastic when you get it. I'm just going to try and get it out as best I can. There we go. So this is the Creeper. Oh, as it rolls away. So this is the Creeper. It's got very nice padding to it. It's a little bit dirty at the moment because I have used it. One of the cool features I like about it is that it's got this tilting head bit. So when you're actually under the car, you can actually sort of keep yourself propped up, which is really neat. And it's really solid construction as well. I've really give it a bit of a fang. I think it could be maybe a little bit lower on the ground. It's can be a little bit high in some circumstances, but most of it, as long as you've got the car jacked up and stuff, it generally will fit fine. But yeah, no, it wheels really well, and just trying to think other application. I mean, it's pretty standard, straightforward Creeper. If you're wanting something that's nice, it fits your body pretty well, we'll show that in just a little bit, but it's got a lot going for it, and I really like it. It's been such a great addition to have in the garage as well, because I've always, as you will see in many of my videos, I bang my head a lot getting out from under a car, and I find it hard to get out sometimes, and this has really made a world of difference. Ow. Alright, so as you can see, what are you doing? No! Can't you see I'm reviewing right now? Right, so as you can see, this Creeper, this is not the best angle, but the cool thing is you can adjust your head, drop down a bit more. It's got sort of a lower part for your arm so you can actually move around. And it wheels pretty good. I've wheeled around like the house heaps as I run into a chair. This is turning into a disaster. But it rolls really nicely, especially on flat surfaces. This is a bit harder, but I wanted to have a bit more light, and also I've got a car in the garage at the moment in bits. But under the car, once you've got it jacked up, this is really nice. Like, you can actually have your head up. But if you feel like getting it a bit lower, you just grab this little handle here, drops down, and you get the full use of it. So hands-free, pretty good. Yeah, so as you see, very thick padding. It's like got a few little dings in it just from using it, but I think that sort of shows how it holds up. It holds up pretty well. It's like a textured finish on this. The padding's really good. It's like very spongy and very comfortable. But yeah, as you can see, these wheels are very big. Yeah, which is not bad because you can actually like move around. You know they're going to be okay. But yeah, I just find it the height is a little bit, the clearance height is a bit high. But I guess you can't have it too low, otherwise you'll be dragging your quid on the grounds. But yeah, overall, it's held up pretty well. Used it a few times. Yeah, just a few little dings here and there, but I think that's expected when you're actually using these things properly, how they're intended. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on it, and I think it's been a great addition to the garage. Okay, so that's it for today. It's a bit of a short review, but I thought that it's pretty straightforward. I mean, the construction of it is all pretty straightforward, and yeah, if you're looking for a Creeper, this one is a real good one to get. It's really quite strong, and especially now I sort of bash stuff around sometimes out here, so it's good to know that this thing is going to hold up. So thank you all so much for watching. If you are interested in getting this, it will be linked down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate everyone that's subscribed and jumped on board with the Panda Garage. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, the Panda Garage, as well, for all photos and of everything sort of behind the scenes and between videos. And a special thanks to Super Cheap Auto again for supporting the channel and allowing me to do some of these reviews, which I greatly appreciate. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. Thanks to Super Cheap Auto again, and I'll see you all next time.